Okay, what I'm trying to do here is put another hose under the patio from this side on the right over to the left. I've already got one going across, but I didn't take into account that I needed two separate hoses, one for the trees and one for the other plants on two different systems. So you can actually already see the one plant. I've got one hose here that goes to the other side. The plan is I've built this long trench here with a hole at the bottom. And I'm going to connect the hose to the end of this pipe, which is a 20mm overflow pipe, and that's going to push through to this size, and the water should just help lubricate things and get it through. I've made this wide on this side because I just don't know where it's going to come out exactly. That's the theory anyway. I put a bit of black tape on here so I know when I've reached the point where it should be coming out the other side. That's it. Let's give it a go. I've connected this up now. This is just a kitchen tap connector, and this I just kind of use the flame blowtorch to melt it, and then put a screwdriver in the end just so there's a little hole. I think that should work. Great. Seems to be working pretty well. It's a bit tricky to do with one hand, so I'm going to stop this now. Success! Didn't take that long actually. Let me go turn it off. That was great. It only took about 2 minutes to push that through. You just have to wait a few seconds for the soil to soften up in front, then just push it through a bit more and keep repeating that. Looks like that hole I dug to collect the water was just the right size as well. So that's good. Right. I'll shove it through a bit more and then I'll just cut off the end. And I've already checked, it's just wide enough to fit a hose pipe through there. I might do another one as well, just in case I decide at some point I need another one. See, while I've got the hole opened up. The second pipe's not gone as well. It seems to have got stuck about 1 metre from the end. Hopefully I haven't hit a big stone, but it's also filled up with water. But the water hadn't drained out from the last pipe, so it's kind of self-inflicted. I might just wait for the water to go down a bit and then turn the water back on again and give it another go. Well, you can see I've gone through the same depth with the second pipe. Problem is, there's only one pipe on this side. I think I might have gone too deep. If you look at it, the angle looks different. So I can either dig down and see if I can find the pipe, or maybe just do it to the left of this pipe again. Just try and tilt it up a bit more this time. I think that's probably what I'm going to do. I don't want it really deep anyway. Okay. Success.